Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Carlos from Inciarte 4x4 on YouTube and Instagram. In today's video I'm gonna talk about the DEVOS LightRanger. This is the only light that we carry for any of our camping trips, and also you can use any outdoor situation. They can be on your backyard, they can be in your work area. I mean, you can use whatever you need a light. You're only gonna need a DEVOS light. Let me show you why. This is not like an unboxing video because we've been testing this light for a few months already. This is the storage that you can find, the storage bag that you can find on their website. They fit two lights here. This is how they look like. This is actually how the lights look like. It's just this. Let me just remove the cover. Just this. This is the DEVOS LightRanger. It's easy to use. It's very powerful. We always we go on like a weekend camping, and we almost never need to recharge, depending how to use it. Because if you use on the minimal capacity, you're gonna get like I believe like a close to 8 hours. And if you use a full like a brightness of the light, you're gonna get like a 3 to 4 hours. You can check all in the description below. It's easy to use. It's only USB-C to charge and only one button. It's nothing else. That's it. You just push the button and you're gonna have the light. See how bright it is. Why we like this light compared to another light? Because how rugged it is. You can see a lot of videos on the internet that the truck running by over the light and nothing happened. We personally tested because sometimes the light fell from our rooftop tent and nothing happened to the light. It stayed on. Good features. It's 100% waterproof. Even if it starts raining, you don't need to worry about to pack the lights because nothing's gonna happen. Cool features for this light. They have a lot of accessories, but the one I like it, the one we love, it is because you can turn on all 360 degrees. You can turn only two sides or one side. What this matter on the campsite? Because if you for us, when we are with a bunch of friends, if you have a campfire over there and people there are chilling over there and we are making some food here or we are doing something else here, we can just point the light to this way. If we want more light here, we just point the light like this with two sides, and you're gonna have full bright here, and you're gonna have nothing over there, and they're gonna be pretty I mean, it's pretty bright. That way they're gonna still have a little bit of light over there, but you don't want to bother with the light, directly light on their eyes, because why you're gonna be pointed to the campfire because they are chilling over there. If we are making some food here, you can just put it like this. Sometime when we are gonna if we are gonna take a shower, or we are gonna be on the back of the truck, sometimes we put it like this. They give you a dark area on this, like my wife, they give her a dark area, and you point a light over there to the bushes, because sometimes she wanna be watching every sound around, you know, any noise, anything, you can just point it that way. That's how we use it. Another cool features, like I say, they have a lot of accessories on their website. This is one of the accessories that they have. It come like this. It is a filter cover that you can change the temperature of the light depend which color you use. We personally we use the amber light because white light they attract the mosquitoes or any bug. If you have amber, it is a minimal chance to the attract of the mosquitoes. That way it's easy, they can be on. You just click here. That's it, it's on. The cover is on the light. You don't have to mesh with any control, any app on your phone. Look at and how they're gonna pick the amber color. They choose a weird color. No, just put the cover, just remove it, put another color if you like red, or if you don't like this amber, you have like a little yellow, you know. We love the amber one. That is the one we always carry on the light. They come with this nice pouch. This accessory that you can find on their website. All the accessories are pretty accessible, you know, the prices. Also the storage bag have another cool features. Let me just put it, no, let me just leave it outside because we are gonna be showing something else. They have a pouch here where you can storage another accessory. They have this 10 watts solar panel. We have a box with a lot of accessories coming today. I'm gonna show you guys more accessories that they just released and they have it available on their website. They have a 10 watts and 20 watts solar panel that you can be charging the light. It is easy to set up. You just put in here and that's it. If you wanna remove it, just push this pin and that's it. They have a plastic pin here, and during the day you can be charging your light. This is cool feature because you don't need any power supply to charge your light. If you are, you know, if you do hiking, you can just carry the light on your backpack because you can put it upside down and you can still using the light, and you can carry your solar panel or even storage on your, if you have a deck system in your truck, or even just put in your truck. Let me just close this one, and now we are gonna be show you guys the new accessories. Like I say, this is their carry bag. A cool thing about the carry bag I just want to mention, because it's not on the website, they don't say it's waterproof, but we personally been through a heavy rain, a lot of mud. Another day I post a video on Instagram when we have all covered, the storage bag is all covered in mud, and we just come into the house, just put some water, you know, hooks with some water, and that's it. It's back to normal. Any water go to inside. I mean, we have the bedrock system and everything, like the rain don't coming through directly to the storage bag. But you know, because the wind and everything, we've been in a campsite just chilling under our awnings, and this cover is on the back of the truck and nothing happened. The water never coming inside. This is another good thing of the light. We have two lights, and I'm gonna recommend to get two because you get a 50% discount, $50 discount when you buy two, and we also have a 10% discount when you use our code INCIARTE4x4. I'm gonna put it in the description below. This is a good thing because you're gonna have saving some money when you buy per pair of two, you know, a pair, and then you're gonna save extra money when you use our discount code. That way you're gonna save a lot of money. Let me just start to open all the accessories that they sent us to show you guys, and now we are gonna be testing on our camping trips. Boom, our utility knife, the one we use to do the unboxing. We normally do the unboxing outdoor, you know, but today it's raining outside, that's why we come into the studio. We have a 20 watts solar panel. We also can storage this solar panel on the storage bag. That means if you already have this storage bag, you can keep it inside the storage. You see how big it is. It is a 20 watts solar panel. They're gonna be the same. You're gonna have the wire here, and then you're gonna be connected to the light through the USB-C, and it is the same, you know, just put like this, and that's it. If you want to remove it, you should pull out the pin, and that's it. It's easy. That way you can keep the light charging during the day. That way you can use the full bright of the light during the night, and then you don't have to be worried about because you're gonna be charging the light during the day. Let me just put this one here. Just put it on the side. Let me see what else they have. Sorry on all the camera. Oh. Let me just put this one here. Sorry guys, I have a lot of accessories here. Let me just put this one out. I always check the boxes, you know, just in case. Okay, what we have here. Where do you put the knife? It's right here. Now, a few weeks ago, they just released this 10 million pairs power bank, completely waterproof. Same system that the solar panel has. Just clip on the light. That's it. And you can clip the solar panel on the top, and you can just charge it as well through the USB-C. This one works pretty easy. You only need to turn it on and that's it. You have two different USB-C outlet. The good thing is both are power in and out. That means you can pick any one you wanted. You can connect one to the light. That way you're gonna be charging the light or using the amount of power of both. And then the another outlet, you can be charging with the solar during the day. That means you don't have to, early in the morning, you don't have to set up the light to, oh, I need to now put the solar panel, disconnect. No, just leave it, everything set up during the night, and that's it. If you're gonna be on 2 days camping trip, you just need to leave it there. It is pretty awesome. See how it is. It is not that heavy. It's just like a power bank, the one you guys probably have. But this one, you're gonna connect it here to the light, and it's easy because you don't have to be carrying something, or you don't need to disattach the light from the pole. Disattach it to keep it charging during the night and then put it back. It's easy to keep one of these on your truck or in the storage. And another thing, another accessory that they sent us is this 3-section extension post from the light for the light post. What is the difference? And this one, the one is coming stock with the light. It is only 2 sections. With this one, you have a 3-section, and you're gonna get, I believe, like a 5 to 7 inches shorter if you don't gonna use the storage bag, or if you're gonna keep in your truck and you say, oh, they are too long. You can get this extension pole. Is like I mentioned, it's 3 sections. That way you can adjust the light for any height. Then you can go lower than the original one if you like to. It is, you know, it is decision. Any type of accessory, they already have some posts to stack it on the ground if you want it, if you don't want to use a tripod. I mean, it is depend how they are, the specification or the requirement that you want for depend how you have your setup. But like I say, if we're going back, just a quick talk about the light. It's pretty awesome. They are always going, when we go in our camping trips, everybody have to know about the light. Everybody want to know more information about the light. And then if few of the friends is, hey Carlos, can you share the discount code because we are gonna get the lights, because they don't have to mess with any light, standing the light, running all out of power. With this one here, now if you guys already have the light and you think this one lasts longer, or you are the ones they start to put in like a no full mode because you worry about to recharge the light, now you can get the power bank. It is accessory that you can get on their website, and you can use the discount code as well. But like I say, it's easy, just one button, few mode, I mean like a different mode. You're gonna have like a full 360 degrees, you're gonna have like a half area pointed, or you're gonna have only one side of the light pointing in any direction, because you can just turn around the light in any area of the campsite. This is a USB to USB-C adapter. They come with a power bank. Like I say, if you guys have any question about the light, let me know, because I try to talk a little bit how we use it. I try to show you guys all the accessories the lights have on the internet, I mean on their website. Remember guys, if you want to buy the light, just taking a pair, because you're gonna save $50, and then you're gonna get if you use our discount code, you're gonna get extra 10% discount on the full amount in the entire purchase. I mean, and you can use it more than one time. Some of the companies, they only allow you to use one time the discount code. For us, we have all year round, you have the discount code. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below or contact us any social media. Go to DEVOS channel as well, and you're gonna have a lot of information about the lights. I'm gonna put some description about the light and the link directly to their website, because they have all the full information on their website as well. Thank you guys. My name is Carlos from Inciarte 4x4. Thank you for watching this video, and just stay tuned for the next video. Thank you guys.